Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. As you can tell, today we are going to be installing a quick release steering wheel on the Nissan 240SX. Now, reason I'm doing this, number one reason, I want to show you all this wheel. I don't know if you've seen any other previous videos of it, what it looks like. Look how musty and ugly this wheel looks. Like, what is this? It's like wires wrapped around it. It's terrible. So, that's one reason. Another reason, because quick release, why not? You know, I mean, I always wanted a quick release, never had one in a car. And there is there's no functions on this wheel other than the horn. Okay, I lied. There's the Excel and that, but cruise control was actually over here, so I still got cruise control. However, it's not hooked up right now, so I'd have to work on that. But besides the point, I want a quick release. This is a drift car, so it just suits the needs. So let's show you all what we got really quick. We got the NRG hub, and we also got the 2.5 quick release, all in black. And I gotta show you guys this. This. All right. Okay, so for this steering wheel, let's just pop this thing open and give a little cinema of this thing, because it is beautiful. Alrighty guys, so check this wheel out. We got an overdue collab with So Scare, if that's how you pronounce their name. This wheel is super sick. It's like a deep dish wheel. You guys can see how like deep it is. It's super sick and it's very pretty. Do not have fear, it's never too late. And check this out on the back. Don't be scared to build something that brings you joy. Yeah, brings me joy for sure. But okay, so yeah, I'm gonna quit talking. Let's actually get into this install. All right guys, so this should go hand in hand in any car, at least older car, and probably newer ones, how to take off the steering wheel. First, you need to take off the battery so we don't deploy the airbag. So let's do that. 10mm, 2 bolts, very simple. Let's do that. Okay, very simple, I know, right? So next up, you're gonna get inside your car. Probably undo this belt really quick. Let's make sure, yep, everything's off. Okay, so hopefully that wheel is straight. Yeah, it is, and there's a lock on it, so we're solid. Let's make sure the wheel is straight. I did not think about that. It's pretty straight. Okay, so I'll put the flashlight on. Let's see if I can show you all. It seems to be only one flathead up in wherever it went. Yeah, there's a flathead up in there. Right there. Focus. Okay, take my word for it. There's a flathead in there. So, it's good. I mean, excuse me. There is a Phillips head in there. So let's grab a Phillips head and take that bolt off. Or the little bolt, and let's see if we can pop out the horn. Okay, now since we got this unplugged, you can tell there's just one connector here. So it's just a push connector, I'm sure. So we're just gonna, what is this? Yeah, there you go. Just one little push connector right there. There's this little bracket. I have no idea what this bracket is. There's 4 screws, so we're gonna take that bracket off now. Okay, whatever this bracket is, it's now out. Basically, after that, this wheel's pretty much, these are so basic, there's no connectors other than this one, which that's pretty advanced for a car like this, I believe. But we got this big bolt, and then we just start trying to beat the crap out of it. So, yeah. Shout out, I don't remember I feel like this is like from Throttle or somewhere, I don't know. But you want to just back the bolt out just a little bit, and you want to hit the piss out of it to get it loose. So what it does is it's not going to just fly off and hit you, or you're not going to hit yourself or pull it off. And you know those videos where something's really tight, you pull it, just flies into your face. Just back it out a little bit to where you can loosen the wheel, so when you do take off the bolt, you don't have a hard time getting the wheel off. So let's figure out what size this is. Okay, so it turned out to be a 19. So you just want to stick her on there. Holy crap, that bolt was loose because that came right off. So we're gonna keep it on there just a little bit, And I might try a rubber mallet, but I'm just gonna beat the crap out of it. We'll try pulling it. Let's just give her a little finessing and wiggling and jiggling. Okay, now you can tell when I do pull the wheel, let's see if you can, she's loose. So we're just gonna unthread this, that, just pull her off, yep. Goodbye, piece of junk. Now we are hubless. Or you get the point, yeah. So let's go ahead and take out the hub assembly out of the box and everything and start reassembling. So yeah, it was that simple. For the horn, I don't know how that hooks up. So unless it's something, it probably has some, you know, to be completely honest, I don't know how the horn hooks up. There's a really cool horn button, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. So maybe I'll put that later in the video, but we're just gonna get this together because I want to get the new wheel on. So let's get her on. So we got two boxes here. I believe this is the hub. Yes, it is. So I guess it kind of hooks. That's really strange. Why is there musty stuff? So I'm pretty sure the NRG thing goes straight up and down. Yeah, it looks about right. Let's just try to shove her in there and see what happens. It's like that. Yeah, that's gotta be all right. Let's make sure she's straight on though. But I guess there's like a, I don't understand how that works. So it slides on just like that, and we put the bolt back on it and just, you know, give it 1-2 ugga-duggas. See if we can keep our knee on there. Yeah. So it provides us with, I believe, 6 bolts. You guys, okay, if you guys know in the description, call me an idiot, but what are these? Are these like adapter plates or something? I have no idea. So we're not using them. Oh no, dropped like 5 bolts. Okay, now we're just gonna put in the rest of them. See, it's just 6 bolts, Allen bolts. Just shove them right in here. Maybe. If it'll start. Okay, you don't want these too tight, so I'm just going to take this little end because it won't be that much torque. And we're just going to go back around, just like how you do a wheel, you know, like star pattern it, just get her snug. Just to where we know it's not going to come off. Oh yeah, they sent me a bunk wheel. Alright, shout out to Devontae. So I spent $350 for this wheel. And like there's like some tether coming off right there. Right there. I guess that's the end of the stitching. But like it's hanging off pretty bad. They sell, I see on their private one all the time. They have an exclusive page, and that so they have an exclusive page, and some of them they sell with slight blemishes. You guys sent me like a blemished ass wheel, I'll tell you that for sure, because who's this dude? What's up, buddy? What's up?
Hey, y'all fool around with the Subarus and stuff?
Yeah. How's it going? Well, she's pretty snug, so everything's assembled in here. Let's give her a try. Never done one of these. I really hope it dings. That's what I really wanted it for. I'm not even gonna lie. Let's see if it does it. Okay, so it went on. It's really close to me, but that's fine. Oh, what? It doesn't ding. That's not cool. Alrighty, guys. Well, here's the install. I'm a little bummed out. I know this is going to sound so childish. It looks super cool, but I'm kind of bummed that it does not ding. But it looks really solid. Check this thing out. Looks really good. So we're going to drive around for a little bit, see how it feels. Other than that, guys, I really appreciate you all watching. This sums up this video. So we're just going to get a couple clips of me driving with it. And that's it. So yeah, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.